बीकन हाउस का मिशन क्या है कि क्या वो फुटप्रिंट सोसाइटी पे क्रिएट क्या करना चाहता है?
आई थिंक बीकन हाउस का जो इससे पहले मैं थोड़ा सा आपको आई बिकॉज आई थॉट यू वर आस्किंग समथिंग एल्स, सो आई विल आंसर दैट फर्स्ट. जो बीकन हाउस का एक कॉर्नर स्टोन है,
हम्म,
and this is something we like to inculcate in our in the children as well,
हम्म,
is continuous professional development, so
got it.
continuous learning.
हम्म,
So one of the reasons why Beacon House has been as successful as it has is because I should not say we, because I was not around at that time, I was not involved, but my mother and her colleagues
हम्म,
recognized very early on that there were no trained teachers in
all right.
Pakistan,
सही है.
because there was no teacher training
हम्म,
initiative or no teacher
हम्म,
training program.
क्योंकि ये इंडस्ट्री नहीं थी ना, मतलब
Exactly.
इट वाज नॉट अ करियर.
Gee, it was not a
हाँ,
career.
हाँ,
Even in government
हाँ,
schools, yes, you
हम्म,
did have teachers, some of
हम्म,
them who had a bachelor's, but they did
हाँ,
not have any expertise in
टीचिंग
in
या
teaching.
द न्यू वेज ऑफ
Yeah,
टीचिंग कि उसके
yeah.
अंडरस्टैंडेबल कैसे बनाना है उसको.
Exactly. So Beacon House very early on invested in
ट्रेनिंग
teacher
डेवलपमेंट.
training. So we collaborated with a university in Scotland in the 80s, then with Bradford University in the 90s, with Marjon, which is College of St. Mark and St. John. So Exeter University. So there have been a number of universities that we have worked with. Initially, their trainers used to come to Pakistan to train the teachers, but as the system grew, it was no longer sustainable. So we trained and developed our own trainers. So even today, professional development remains the cornerstone of Beacon House at every level.
और ये अच्छा, एट एवरी लेवल इफ
Yeah,
समबडी इज विद द किड्स और को अभी पहला साल है तो उसकी ट्रेनिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट
exactly.
पे फिर भी शुरू हो जाएगी.
Exactly. So there are different. It's like it's a tiered program.
हम्म,
So in जो early teachers हैं या early stage teachers हैं, we have one program for them which teachers have to complete in the first, I think, 1 year that they are with the system, and then it continues to progress. And then after that, there are some people who are selected for a postgraduate certificate in education, PGCE, and then a small handful of people are also selected to complete their
एंड
masters
कॉस्ट इज
in
बीइंग
education.
पेड बाय बीकन हाउस.
The cost for the most part is picked up by Beacon House, other than the PGCE, in which
ठीक है.
case there is cost sharing, because that involves foreign universities.
और आई थिंक वो आई हर्ड कि वो अपनी आपको सैलरी से भी कटवा सकते हैं और इस तरह भी
Yeah,
कुछ.
yeah,
हाँ,
yeah. There are
resolution हो सकता
different
है. व्हाट इज द
options.
डीएनए ऑफ बीकन हाउस?
So DNA, so this kind of leads us to the DNA of Beacon House,
ठीक है.
which is inculcating the spirit of continuous professional learning or continuous learning in the students.
अरे.
Okay, so this is, I would say, at the core of what Beacon House stands for, number one, because the age in which we uh, exist right now, everything is changing. Okay,
इवॉल्विंग.
and evolving, and what we are learning today may not be sufficient for the future. So the most important skill is to learn to continuously be unlearning and relearning. So we try to inculcate in students the importance of continuous learning throughout their lifetime, right? So that is one part which is very important. And in the age of artificial intelligence, in which the future of work is likely to look very different, a lot of jobs may not even exist
एग्जिस्ट.
in the future. This is an extremely
पर
important skill.
ये जो है सारा जो जितना भी बीकन हाउस के जितने भी प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं, बिकॉज इफ ये अगर आप टीएनएस के ब्याह पे कहें तो मैं समझ सकता हूँ कि वहाँ
जी,
का जो बच्चा है,
जी,
क्योंकि वो प्रोजेक्ट बेस्ड लर्निंग है और वो
जी,
जो बच्चा है वो इस तरह है कि उसको अनलर्न करने की एक, बिकॉज आई ऑलवेज से कि एक बार आपने
जी,
जो चीज़ सीख ली,
जी,
प्रॉब्लम हमारी जनरेशन के साथ या हमारे से ऊपर वाली जनरेशन के साथ ये है कि दे डोंट अनलर्न
जी.
और वो अपने आप को इवॉल्व नहीं करते.